Welcome to Florida Cracker Road Trip. We got Uncle's Family Kitchen pizza crust here. Obviously, we're set up to have a pizza party. Get the crust, pre-order them. We'll get the pizza set up. They come in vacuum sealed, so they're good to go. Order yourself a bunch of them. Uncle's Family Kitchen. And I'll be showing you some of the cooking and pizzas we're gonna do. We've got a white pizza, Alfredo, mushrooms, and steak, and everything. So it's gonna be a blast. Florida Cracker Road Trips. Live, love, and cook.